So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're talking about this new scam that people are targeting Uber and Lyft drivers with. So if you are an Uber or Lyft driver, unfortunately, there are not a lot of really great people out there who just want to scam you, and they know that Uber and Lyft drivers are really easy to scam. Unfortunately, there are tons of people who are scamming Uber drivers, Lyft drivers out of their hard-earned money. If you've gone out and done a 40-hour work week with Uber or Lyft, I have, so I can relate. It is hard work. It might take you 40 hours to make, $600, but those are long hours and you end up putting a lot of miles on your car and spending a lot of money on gas. And for somebody to go in and just take that money from you, I mean, that's worse. That's like kicking somebody who's already down on the ground. It's not good, but don't fall for this scam. I'm just gonna keep this video short because I want to encourage you guys not to fall for this scam. And another really good way to stay protected as an Uber and a Lyft driver is through getting paid time off and sick leave. If you want paid time off, if you ever get into an accident or get hospitalized or temporarily deactivated for whatever reason, you can get up to 31 days of coverage. And this company called Cover will actually pay you 80% of your income while you can't work. So if you get in a car accident, you can't work for a month, you'll get 80% of your income. So if you make $5 a month, that's $4,000 a month that you'll get. It does cost money to sign up, but again, if you use my link in the description down below, you get your first 30 days for free. I highly recommend choosing that 31 days of coverage, just so you know. And I already did the math. Basically, if you choose whatever amount you choose, however many days you choose, if you ever need to use Cover, you're gonna get your money back basically through the payments that it costs. So it definitely makes sense to do it, and it's supported by the Rideshare Guy. Dustin is driving, the Rideshare Professor, Steph On The Pedal, real rideshare stories, and many more. So check out my link down below. If you use my link, you'll get your first 30 days for free. However, let me show you guys some of these screenshots because this is really sad. But the way basically they're doing it, I don't know if you guys have ever gotten these text messages after one of the common ways. This isn't the way we're talking about, but just so you guys have a perspective, people target Uber and Lyft drivers by ordering a ride. This is just another one to know. It's good to know, but I'm gonna get into the main one, the new one today. This one has been going up for years, but what they have done over the past years is order a ride with Uber and Lyft, and as soon as they get the ride, they'll call up the driver and say, hey, this is Uber support, and we want to reward you with an extra $100 bonus for driving today, however many hours, and all we need is your login info. And then they just go in and steal your account. I'm laughing because whatever, it's not funny, I shouldn't be laughing, but they'll go in and ask for your login info and steal your account right then and there. Even worse, sometimes there's pastors who get in, ask for your phone, hey, can I change the song or whatever? And they go, oh yeah, take my phone. And then they just steal your funds. They go in and all they have to do is change the banking information. So basically anytime somebody asks for your login info, they have the ability to just withdraw all the cash. So what are they doing? One of the things they're doing now is they're targeting drivers who have been deactivated. So let me just show you one of these screenshots, and all they want is your login info. So I'm going to share you a screenshot here. So what they do is they actually, funnily enough, they target drivers on YouTube, and they comment on YouTube videos. Anything has to do with deactivation. This is my comment section. So anytime I make a video about a deactivation, you'll see a flood of comments, and I go through multiple times per day and spam them because I don't want them in my comment section. But look at this. Let me go through held for review. Look at this. Look at this. They're going through all the ones that have deactivated in the title. All my videos, and I make a lot of videos on deactivations because, as you guys know, Covert actually helps drivers get reactivated. They're the only legitimate company that helps drivers get deactivated. Again, they're backed by the Rideshare Guy, Rideshare Professor, Dustin is driving, Steph On The Pedal, me. We all believe in this company, and they actually do help drivers get their accounts back, but through a lawyer, like a legit lawyer. But that, yeah, if you actually want to get your account back, go through them. But look at this. So they'll comment on this. Look at this guy. What they do is they create a bunch of fake YouTube accounts, and they just comment 100 times, 30 times. These are not public, but I recommend DaveHack144 on IG or on WhatsApp. And then look at this. This was all yesterday. They comment about 20 times. And then you go back, another person, Larry Pineda, same thing, same exact thing. What they do is they have all these accounts set up, and they recommend that you text this person. Is that the same number? Dave Hack. Yeah, it's all the same phone number. It's all the same phone number. Sometimes they switch up. Yeah, Kelvin Hack, that's another one. Kelvin Hack, and they actually do have different phone numbers. So they have a bunch of different phone numbers, bunch of different Instagram accounts. But anytime you see contact somebody to get your account reactivated, all they're looking to do is get your login info. They might even say, hey, you know, can I get your login info on Uber? And they go, are you a Lyft driver too? And you go, yeah. They go, okay, can I get your Lyft login info too? All they're looking is to go into your account and deposit your funds into their bank account. And they do this because, look at this, another one, Frank Bader. There's so many, like, my spam is filled with them, and I actually have gone through and basically highlighted these keywords, DaveHack144, and blocked those words. So anytime somebody leaves a comment with these things, it's not going to go through. So yeah, it's really hard for these to go through. Sometimes they do, and I know many other YouTubers don't go through and, you know, spam each individual comment, which I do because I don't want my audience falling for this stuff. But don't do this. Now you guys know that this is the new one. I haven't seen anything like it. I mean, it's relatively creative for them to target people on YouTube, but they're just looking for susceptible drivers who contact them there, and they say, okay, let me get all your login info, and they just deposit your funds into their account. And it's hard-earned cash that you're working for, and you should deserve to keep it. So don't fall for this. If you actually do get deactivated, the only legitimate company helping drivers get reactivated is Covert. Trust me, I don't know any other company that's actually legit. Do not call these people. They're just, you know, they're making tons of money taking advantage of drivers. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great and amazing day. Subscribe and like this video so more people can see it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.